Ito ang mensahe ng past person mo, Cancer.
I love you unconditionally.
I left you before you could leave me. I regret lying to you. You speak to me through music. I am not available. I want to feel that way again. Ang mensahe para sa'yo. When I'm in a state of appreciation, I'm in vibrational alignment with my true love nature. Ang mensahe para sa'yo na yung mga bagay na ina-appreciate mo na dumarating sa'yo, isipin mo lang na alam mong nakalaan yun sa'yo. Binigay yun sa'yo dahil may rason.